Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have a very elegant pallu with zari lines and hand paint work. Multiple colors used for the hand paint. The saree color is the pallu color here too. It's a brown shade, coffee brown, very elegant one with same coffee brown blouse piece with one side the hand painted design in the borders. The whole saree is having beautiful zari borders. Very elegant, both silver and gold zari lines we can visibly see in the border. And on the saree we have a very elegant hand painting work. Beautifully the hand paints are done in the lower half. Colors are multiple colors used, mainly yellow is used for leaves here, and the flowers are done in blue, orange mostly. Very elegant it is, a contrast one to the body color. Very beautiful artistic hand painting work done on pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand paint, exclusive designs done on a very pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black shade pallu with yellow color used for the hand painting here. Elegant big flower designs, very beautifully it's hand painted with the zari borders as well. And we have a contrast pallu blouse piece, that is a yellow blouse piece with one side the black borders. It's a very different concept saree. The hand paints here are completely done in the top portion of the body, and when it goes down the hand paint portion decreases and almost only in the half and half portion is hand painted and the top half is completely plain yellow. Very elegant one. When it is bad, the black and yellow combination is also really attractive with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegantly done on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with mild hand paints in half white color, and we also have zari lines, golden zari lines and golden zari borders all over the saree, with the blouse piece which is very different. The blouse piece is brown with one side the pink borders, and along with that we have the zari borders as well. The saree here is in beautiful design. The top is completely brown, dark shade coffee brown, and the lower half we have pink with the white hand paints. Very mild and beautiful saree, dark and pastel combination, beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, a very beautiful soft acid washed boiled Tassa fabric, a brown saree here with brown pallu, completely hand painted design done using a cream color here, half white is used for the pallu hand paints with zari lines as well. And we have same kind of painting in the one side border of the blouse piece. It's a plain blouse piece with one side painting design. The complete saree is having beautiful antique finish, golden zari, and we also have hand paints all over. Beautiful big floral design done using very elegant colors. Blue and the shades of orange and red are used for the flowers, and we also have the white used for the leaves here. Elegant one. The top half is completely painted, and the lower half we have one side painting design. Beautiful saree, excellently painted in a dark brown shade, which is very elegant and attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a blue with light grey tinge color, very elegant. Same color pallu with hand painted design in the pallu, and we also have zari lines. Same color plain blouse piece. Both sides we have zari borders with the blouse piece. The complete zari border done here is in golden shade. Beautiful color, a very different colored saree with hand paints that is in the lily concept, water lily concept. You can see the leaves that is done in yellow, and the lilies done in a pink shade color. Very beautiful one. Water lilies done hand painted on a very elegant drab color shade saree, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant boiled acid washed soft and elegant Tassa silk saree in a deep brown shade. Beautiful blackish brown it is with hand painted design. The same color pallu with zari lines and zari border. And one side of the blouse piece we have beautiful hand paints, the water lily concept, lotus concept here. Beautifully it's hand painted using the contrast colors. Deep brown shade saree. On it the contrast multiple colors are used for the painting here. The water lily and lotus concept. Beautiful colors. Yellow colors are used for the stems of the flower, and the flowers are done in beautiful red, pink and blue shades of colors. Excellent saree, elegantly hand painted and on pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, boiled, acid washed, beautiful tussar silk saree. On it hand painting work is done. Here we have an onion peel, light pastel pink shade, same color pallu with the painting done using the cream color here, half white with zari lines as well as the pallu. Same way the blouse piece is also plain with one side hand painting design. It's an elegant, beautiful painting design. The saree completely is in same color, running color concept. The onion peel, pastel shade pink, and complete saree is having the painting work. All over the saree it's painted in the top half, and the lower half we have the plain portion, and the lower half alone we have painting. Beautiful design. It's a trendy and beautiful floral pattern. Elegantly hand painted on a pure tussar silk in a pastel shade saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on pure acid washed, boiled, soft and elegant tussar silk saree. Here we have a cream color pallu with pink as well, which is vertically alternatively given, along with the hand painting design and zari lines. And here we have a contrast pink blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders. The saree here is always demanded, very beautiful cream color. The natural tussar color it is, and we have the hand painting design, the lily concept, water lily and lotus concept, hand painted using the pink and grey shades. We also have the leaves done using green. Very pretty collection with the borders in the pallu color base. Beautiful one, very elegant and classy saree with authentic silk mark.